Okay, in this particular video, I'm going to talk to um, metrics on software quality. So this talks to the functionality or the features of the system, the usability, the aesthetics and documentation, the reliability, the frequency of failure and security, the performance, the speed and throughput, and the supportability, such as the maintainability. Um, here are some example measures that we could actually use for software quality. You could have things like correctness. That's the degree to which a program operates according to specifications. So that's the defects per kilolog, for example. Defect is a verified lack of conformance to requirements. And you could also have things like failures per hour of operation, for example. I For maintainability, that's the degree to which a program is open to change. You have the mean time to change, for example. You have a change request to a new version. Um, that's how long you spend in analyzing and designing and so on. Um, then you also have, like, say, the cost to correct, to make that change that you want. The next measure might be integrity. That's the degree to which a program is resistant to outside attack. So you talk about things to measure the fault tolerance, the security, and threats. Um, then you also have usability. That has to do with how easy it is to use. It talks to that in terms of your training time, the skill level necessary to use it, the increase in productivity that it brings. Um, the Usually it could have a subjective questionnaire or a controlled experiment to test something like usability. McCall actually proposed a triangle of quality. This triangle has the at the three sides the product revision. These are the three states of a product. Say, you're either revising the product, you're transitioning the product, or you're operating the product. So the simplest one that we know about is the operating of the product. So when a product is operating, it usually talk to whether it's correct, if it's usable, how efficient is it reliable, is secure and has good integrity. So that's operation of product. If you're revising the product, then you have to talk to things like how maintainable is the product, how flexible is it to being revised, and how testable is it to these new revisions. And then finally, you might also be transitioning product. And if you're transitioning product, that means you're probably porting it from one platform to another. How easy is it going to be able to be ported from that one platform to another? How easy is it to be reusable, and will it play nicely with other products? Will it play nicely with other pieces of software? And Macau, his quality factors were actually proposed back in the early 1970s. They are as valid today as they were back then, and it's likely that software built to conform to these factors will exhibit high quality well into the 21st century, even if there are dramatic changes in technology. And that brings me at the end of this particular video.